To integrate your Coinbase wallet with Debank, follow these steps. First, you need to have a Coinbase account and a Debank account. If you don't have either, sign up for them before proceeding. Next, go to the Debank website and click on the Add Wallet button. You will be presented with a list of wallet options. Select Coinbase from the list. You will be redirected to the Coinbase website where you will be asked to authorize Debank to access your Coinbase account. Click on the Authorize button to grant Debank access to your Coinbase account. You will be redirected back to the Debank website where you will see your Coinbase wallet listed. Click on the Connect button to complete the integration. Once your Coinbase wallet is connected to Debank, you can view your Coinbase balance and transaction history on the Debank dashboard. You can also use Debank to track your Coinbase portfolio and receive alerts when there are changes to your account. It is essential to note that when you integrate your Coinbase wallet with Debank, you are not moving your funds from Coinbase to Debank. Your funds remain in your Coinbase account, and Debank only has read access to your account information. To ensure the security of your account, make sure to only authorize trusted applications like Debank to access your Coinbase account. Also, always review the permissions you are granting to any application before authorizing access to your account. By following these steps, you can easily integrate your Coinbase wallet with Debank and take advantage of the features and tools that Debank offers. Debank provides a user-friendly interface to track your cryptocurrency portfolio and receive alerts and notifications.